Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we have a 1997 Mustang Cobra. As you can see from the video footage here, it's got some swirling in it, and I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, but it's got some sort of chemical burn along with the oxidation. Apparently the owner used a touchless wash, and a lot of those pre-soaks are super acidic. You never know how high or low on the pH scale they're going to go. You can see here this thing's got 22,000 original miles on it. Or I'm sorry, 21,000. This thing is clean, it's cherry, it's beautiful. Let's get it inside and mask off an area. After we get it strip washed, do an iron remover. This is the cleanest, most oxidized vehicle I've ever seen. So it's not even going to need a clay bar treatment. Got it strip washed, gonna mask off an area. I pretty much had it in my mind what pad combination and what polish I wanted to use. And as it turns out, even with a lot of expertise in this field, this vehicle turned out to be quite a surprise in terms of the hardness of the clear coat. Going to do our test spot here. We have a Euro 50/50 pad, an Angel Wax Enigma all-in-one. We're going to top that with a 1-year ceramic coating as well. Going to do a crisscross pattern equal to 2 passes. Only about 4 to 5 pounds of pressure, which is equal to a firm handshake. We're going to see what kind of turnaround we can get. As I was wiping off the polish here, I noticed that the oxidation along this body line in the hood was not getting removed like I would have liked. So I grabbed a 3-inch polisher so I can focus in on that area. It just did not like the 6-inch pad going over it. It tended to miss some areas. Bring you in for a first-person view. And as I was filming this, I noticed something. I thought that that pad and polish combo was going to be okay. As it turns out, I was wrong. I was super surprised how soft this clear coat on this vehicle is. This was like Tesla soft. This was absolutely as soft as can be, so I grabbed a yellow Rupes fine finishing pad. I'm still going to use the Enigma all-in-one and see if we can make the clarity and get rid of some of that haze and marring that we left behind, because we definitely don't want to do that. Did the same thing, a crisscross pattern equal to 2 passes. Maybe not quite as much pressure because I just polished that one area. We're going to bring you in for a first-person view here. And that cleared that haze right up. I was really stunned that this Mustang, that a mid-90s era anything, had really soft clear coat. It reminded me of how soft the modern-day Teslas are. As you can see, we made a huge turnaround here. I'm going to give you a shot here between the passenger side fender And the hood where we polished, excellent, excellent turnaround. I'm sure the owner is going to be thrilled. Let's bring some numbers in behind what we're seeing. Make sure it's calibrated here at 109. We always aim for the triple digits here, but anything in the mid to high 90s is shiny. So we're starting off around 85 gloss units. Oops. There's a lot of curves in this hood. You got to get this thing flat. Boom, 102. $99.4. Nah, I didn't get it flat. Like I said, this hood is curvy. 98.1. Excellent, excellent turnaround. And if we can do it, and there's no harm in taking it off, we even remove the spoiler, get a much cleaner job. We can polish the underside. It's not glued on with double back tape. We already got our polishing done, and we're going to use this for our first person view with our 1-year ceramic coating. Typically you start with the roof and go down, but we wanted to coat the deck lid first and then the spoiler on the underside and the top side so we can get that out of the way and not have to worry about it. We continued around the vehicle, let it cure for 4 hours, topped it with Blue Collar 3. Yes, it's a little rainy out here, but we're going to get this thing backed outside. It's not quite dark out. It's about 4:35 p.m. and with this dumb time change, it feels like it should be midnight at 5 p.m. I'm sure everybody out there knows what the hell I'm talking about. And I could not find reverse in this thing because it's offset a little bit. It was a little bit of a chore. Bring everybody in for a first-person view here of the vehicle outside. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera here, but this thing looks absolutely stunning. It's red, it's shiny, it's glassy. It looks amazing. Bring in a swirl finder light since we don't have any sun. As I always like to say, Mother Nature and sunlight will always be your biggest critic. It will always show you if you miss something or you have a high spot or whatever the case might be. This thing looks freaking great. I appreciate everybody watching our YouTube channel and our videos and all our new subscribers. And if you've been subscribed to the channel for a while, thank you. I greatly appreciate all of your feedback and you watching our videos. We do have some big news in the works. We're still working on the Facebook group. We're probably going to open a mobile location in the North Frisco, North Dallas area. We'll stay tuned for that. My name is John. We are Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We will see everybody in the next video. Have a great week, everybody. See y'all soon.